You can now earn 3% on your money with zero risk through Robinhood Gold. Robinhood Gold is a brand new feature that they just launched, and it is really cool, and that's what this video is all about. Hello everyone, my name is Nick, and welcome back to Finance with Nick. Now on this YouTube channel, we go over absolutely everything that has to deal with finance. We're talking about investment strategies. We're talking about which stocks to buy during certain months. And we are also talking about fantastic passive income ideas like this video. Now, if you want to see more content like that, help me out on my entire YouTube journey and hit that subscribe button. We got a lot of good stuff coming out. And if you learned anything from this video, or I earned you just a little bit of money, help me out with those YouTube guys and hit that like button. All right, let's get into earning some money. Now, Robinhood just launched a brand new service for their brokerage, and that is Robinhood Gold. Now, Robinhood Gold is a subscription service that is $5 a month through Robinhood. Everyone is doing a subscription service now, everyone. And when you have access to the Gold membership, it'll give you 3% interest on all of your uninvested money. We're talking about cash. We are not talking about anything on margin or anything. We're talking about available cash in your account. You will earn 3% if you are a Gold member. You will also earn 1.5% from now on if you are not a Gold member. It also gives you access to bigger instant deposits, which could be insanely helpful. Professional research from Morningstar. Level 2 marketing data, which gives you just all the bids essentially, and a lot of other good stuff, and it's highly recommended. And access to margin investing. Now you can try Gold for free for 30 days. But after that, it's going to be $5 a month. Now, the main element that I want to talk about is the 3% you will be earning in interest for all your uninvested cash. Now, essentially, that is pretty much a savings account. So you could put your money in Robinhood and you will earn interest. Now, the average savings account gives you 0.01%. It is terrible. I actually did a video a little while ago about high interest yield savings accounts, which you could check out right there. And in that video, it points out some of the highest percentages as far as interest that you're going to get from your savings account. Now, most high yield savings accounts are only going to be around 2%. Now, the majority of the savings accounts that people open and that they have gives you an interest of 0.01. Now, we're talking about pennies here. So the fact that Robinhood is giving out 3% yield on your uninvested money, which is essentially a savings account, it's like 300 times better than an average savings account. And that is really cool that they do this. And this is the definition of passive income. All you got to do is deposit your money into your Robinhood account, which is essentially a savings account, and just chill and do nothing. There is zero risk, and you are guaranteed to make 3% on your cash. Now, Robinhood in general is FDIC insured up to 1.5 million. So if worst case scenario, Robinhood went under and their business completely collapsed, you would still be covered up to $1.5 million. So like I said, it is risk-free, and it is the definition of passive income. So just so you can visualize it and how much money you will be making, if you invested that $1.5 million into Robinhood, every year Robinhood is going to pay you $45,000 a year. Now, if you leave that money in Robinhood for 10 years, you would have netted $500,000. That is crazy. That is full-time income status. Now, a lot of us do not have $1.5 million. I don't, but on a smaller scale, if you hold it in Robinhood for a good amount of time, you could be making thousands and thousands of dollars risk-free. Now, since it is $5 a month, if you discount everything else, all the other features that they're giving you, and you're only focusing on this, on the 3% yield, you will need to put in at least $2,000 of uninvested cash into it to break even. Because essentially the cost each and every year is going to be $60. And if you put in the $2,000, you will yield $60. So you need at minimum $2,000 for it to be worth it for you. But there is no limit and there's no cap. But $2,000, in my opinion, is, if you're gonna do this, is the minimum you should have in Robinhood Gold. So to wrap this whole thing up, this is by far one of the best quote unquote savings accounts as far as yield wise that is out there, and is really cool that they do this. And you can make thousands of dollars each and every year risk free through Robinhood Gold. All right, and that is it. That is all I got for today's video. Now, if you have any questions on anything that I said, you can hit me up in the email in the description or just drop a comment. I will get to everything. Now, again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you're still here, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.